please feed into my addiction of Korean sheet masks. Literally, that's what they're doing. Konnichiwa, Tiffany Rika this. Welcome back to my channel, and you guys know how much I love Korean skincare and sheet masks. So the fact that I'm working with Facetory to bring you guys this video is so exciting. There's a subscription box that literally sends you Korean sheet masks to your door. Today in this video, I wanted to show you guys what's in the 7 Luxe box, as well as do a full week of sheet masks with Facetory with you guys. Also, stay tuned at the end of the video because Facetory was so kind to, you know, give you a little something at the end of the video. So stay tuned and let's get started with this video. It comes with an information card that has all of the different sheet masks that you're gonna get that month, as well as all the information and what it's good for. But I'm excited to just dive right on into this. So let's pink tissue paper packaging. Yes. You know when packaging is really good and you just like me every time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and run through these, but throughout the week I'm gonna be trying out all of these sheet masks to let you guys know what I think about them. The first one that I see is the Oh My Goodness Rejuvenating Snail Mask, which snail sebum has a lot of benefits for dry skin, so I'm super excited about that one. The next one is the Rose Gold 24 Mask. Yes, anything rose gold. Yes. The next one is the Americano Mask. That's really cool. It's a 3-step mask. It says it has an essence, an ampoule, and the Finesse Aqua Relaxing Mask. So I can't wait. I do drink ice Americanos every day, so feeding into my addiction, sheet mask in ice Americano. The next one is the Sparkling Wine Mask Sheet. Pretty. The next one is the Dark Choco Mask for deep hydrating and refreshing skin. I think this is perfect. Like, the ones that I've been seeing so far are all like very curated towards winter skin, which I definitely need help in that department. The next one is the Seeker Her Restore Sheet Mask for all skin types. And the last one is the Doft Hydra Soother Deep Hydration Mask, moisturizing and revitalizing. I'm really excited to just spend a week pampering myself and making sure that my skin is moisturized throughout the cold months of November and December. But yeah, let's get into it. To start off the week, I used the Facetory Oh My Goodness Rejuvenating Snail Mask. Now this came jam-packed with essence, which I'm so grateful for. It's perfect for the winter months. I always take the sheet mask and the extra bit of essence and I rub it onto my face. I find that this helps moisturize my skin even more, and it keeps my skin moisturized all day. The sheet mask itself was super thin, but it was a very sturdy material. It molded to my face perfectly. I think it was the perfect size for me, and the essence itself was very watery, but it was so soothing, especially after a long day. I had a long day at work, and this was the perfect way to relax myself after. After about 20 minutes, I removed my sheet mask and instantly my skin felt tighter and was definitely more moisturized. The snail essence actually contains so much nutrients such as hyaluronic acid and glycoprotein to hydrate and prevent signs of aging, and I definitely saw that. And the shea butter that's actually in there also smooths out my dry skin, and it felt so moisturized after. I was definitely in love with this sheet mask. Now on Tuesday, I was so excited to try the 23-year-old Rose Gold 24 sheet mask. Now this one definitely, once again, was jam-packed with essence. I think Facetory did a great job in finding sheet masks that are very curated for the winter and dry skin. This was dripping in essence. The sheet mask itself was super soft but thicker in fabric and was soaked thoroughly with essence. I've never actually also had a sheet mask that covers your lips, but they say that it's so that your skin is moisturized as well as your lips, which is so interesting, and I think it is a great idea. Now the gold extract is an anti-aging ingredient that increases elasticity, and I definitely saw that in my skin. My skin felt a lot softer, and it also seemed to even out the skin tone just overall, and it was definitely one of my favorite masks. Now on Wednesday, I used the Cafe D Skin 17 Tea Americano Mask. I was definitely pumped about it because I did prepare an iced Americano just so I can do it with the mask. But I separated the 3-step mask first using the T-Zone No Sebum Tightening T-Zone Essence and applied it to my T-Zone. They do have instructions on the back as well as on the Facetory card if you're interested in how to do this properly. But I applied this all over my T-Zone and then went on with the Honey Ultra Moisture C-Zone Ampoule on my C-Zone as well. I've never done anything like this before sheet mask, so I was definitely hyped about this. Now this sheet mask was split with the paper as well as the sheet mask, and the sheet mask itself was super gel-like and very, very thin. I actually enjoyed these types of sheet masks the best, and I went ahead and applied it. The essence itself has propolis extracts, which is a great anti-inflammatory agent that helps soothe and heal and balance your skin, which is why I decided to do the sheet mask in the morning. While I was waiting 20 minutes with my sheet mask, I definitely chugged this coffee, but after removing it, I was so shocked at how awakened my skin felt. I felt like it reduced the bloating, and when applying makeup afterwards, it just went on so nicely and so easily, and I felt like my skin had never felt this good. Now on Thursday, I tried the Kbeauty Sparkling Wine Mask Sheet. Now this one out of all of them had the most strong scent. It was almost like a fruity, girly scent. Definitely something that might irritate people, but for me it was totally fine. The sheet mask itself was very standard, but very, very soft. I applied this to my skin and I felt once again that it molded onto my skin well. The essence was also a little bit stickier than I was used to, but as soon as I took it off and started massaging it into my face, I felt like that nourishing essence really did stay for a lot longer than any of the other sheet masks. Now on Friday, I used the XOY Dark Choco Mask, and this day I was flying, so I definitely needed some moisture back into my skin, and I needed a sheet mask after the flight. The sheet mask itself was a lot thicker, but I think it was really, really able to hold the essence just onto the sheet mask without dripping. The essence was bubbly and a little bit tacky, which was really interesting, but it had a very cooling effect. I didn't even have to put it in the fridge, but it instantly cooled my face. The cocoa extract contains high levels of antioxidants, and this ingredient actually promotes the production of collagen, so I definitely felt like my skin was nourished. Now starting on the weekend, I used the E-Nature Seeker Herb Restore Sheet Mask, and this definitely was one of my favorite sheet masks that I use. The sodium hyaluronic is actually great for skin restoring and moisturizing ingredients that help reduce the appearance of blemishes and provides additional benefits for aging skin. Now I'm still 23, but I definitely look for anti-aging things, and the sheet mask was very thin, the type that I love, and I felt like after 20 minutes my skin was definitely restored back to the original health and state it was in. To finish off the box, I used the Duft & Doft Hydra Soother Deep Hydration Mask on Sunday. Now this one was definitely one of those gel-like sheet masks, which was so easy to apply, and the essence was also very, very watery, which is one of my favorite type of essences. I find that it just goes into my skin so much better, and I definitely had a lot of extra essence to massage onto my hands and my neck. And 20 minutes later, I went ahead and took off the sheet mask. You guys know the drill at this point, but my skin definitely felt so soft. This was after Thanksgiving dinner, so my skin felt really bloated, but this definitely helped reduce the bloating as well as hydrate my skin. So that was it for this week's video. For those of you guys who did stick around to the very, very end, I do have a surprise for you guys from Facetory. Facetory was so kind and generous enough to give all of my subscribers a 20% discount on any of their first boxes with Facetory, which is so exciting. So go ahead and use the code RIKA20 at checkout to get that discount. I'm so thankful for Facetory. I'm thankful for you guys, especially around Thanksgiving. I'm just like so thankful and grateful for all of you. Before exiting out of this video, make make sure to go ahead and leave a comment down below letting me know what videos you guys want me to make for you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for the support as always. If you're brand new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bells for new videos every week. And I love you guys so much. I'm thankful for you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mata ne! Mwah!